welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to explore a wonderful poem named The Beautiful Rainbow. So in the sky a majestic sight appears. So let's dive into the world of colors and explore the beauty of the rainbow. So get ready to be mesmerized by the beauty of nature. Let's explore the vibrant colors of the rainbow together. So let's begin with the poem now. So, before we begin with the poem, we have a wonderful activity over here. Let's read it out. So, do you know about the 7 colors of a rainbow? So, they're asking that are you all aware of the colors that are present in the rainbow? Right? Write the names of the colors of a rainbow. So, what they are saying is we all know that there are total 7 colors in the rainbow and they are named as Vibgyor. Vibgyor. Hence, they are known as Vibgyor, right? So, as we all know that these Vibgyor is a short form for each color. So, let's write that V is for violet color. Next is I. I stands for indigo. Next is B. B stands for blue. Next is G. As we all know, G stands for green. Next is Y. Y stands for yellow. O. O stands for orange. And the last one is R. R is for red. So, these are the 7 colors of the rainbow. I hope you all enjoyed this activity. Now, let's move ahead. So, as we can see our poem over here, right? So, let's read it. Both sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. So, first of all, let's talk about the first 4 lines of the poem, which says that we all know that the rivers are not so big. They are kind of small rivers, right? So, the boats sail in the rivers and the boats are also not so big. So, that's why we used to sail the boats in the rivers. Next line says that the ship sails in the seas. We all know that the seas are very big and the ships are also very big. That is why we used to sail the ships on the seas. But after that, they are saying, but the clouds that sail across the sky. But during both the situations, if we are sailing in a boat in the river or if we are sailing on the ship in the sea, both the situations have some clouds that float in the sky. And they are saying that those clouds look the prettiest of them all, right? Like if we compare the situation of the clouds in the sky and the boats in the rivers or the ships on the seas, the clouds might look prettiest of them all, right? After that, there are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. Now they are saying that there are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. Like the bridges that are made on the river so that we can cross the river easily. So they depend on us because the bridges are made by humans. So it is our duty that how pretty we want to keep them. How can we make them pretty? That is up to us, means up to the human beings only, right? But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from the earth to sky is far prettier than these. So now they are saying, but there is also a bow that bridges heaven, but we also have a bridge which goes straight to the heaven, right? And overtops the trees, and it sometimes goes above the trees also and builds a road from the earth to sky. And that is the bridge which makes the road from earth to the sky. Is far prettier than these. Now, if we compare all these situations with that bow that they are talking about is a bridge which takes us from earth to the sky or to the heaven. That is the prettiest of them all, right? So, the bridge they are talking about in these lines is a rainbow. As we can see that a rainbow begins from the earth and reaches to the sky, and sometimes it overtops the trees also, right? So they are saying that this is a bridge which takes us from the earth to the heaven, right? So that was the poem. Now let's move ahead. Now we have some questions for you. So let's read and see that whether you are able to identify the questions or not. So let's read the first question, which is, where do the boats and ships sail? So can you answer the question that where do the boats and the ships sail? Yes, absolutely correct. The boats and ships sail in the rivers and seas. Right? After that, let's move on to the next question, which says, what is present on the rivers? So, can you answer what is present on the rivers? Exactly. All those are the bridges that are present on the river. So, we write bridges over here. Bridges are present on the rivers. So, that was all for the poem. And so, the rainbow's beauty fades away, but its memory stays, inspiring us to appreciate the wonders of nature. So, if you enjoyed this poetic journey, do subscribe our channel, like the video, and press the bell icon for more inspiring content, nature poetry, and creative expressions. Thank you so much.